Niggas try to play with a dude. Nigga, you don't know what I do, so don't try to play like your cousin, not my fan. Niggas better chill, I'll be stopping them, nigga, with that water. You ain't even say I'm the damn on top of the hill. I don't understand why I even think that he real. Niggas think that he spitting like this, and niggas know ever since. And niggas be deep in the abyss. When I'm done with that body, cause I'm drowning this mess. I told niggas better stop it. Y'all niggas really want me to hit you. I be seeing cats like the optics, right through the ghosts. Niggas can't even hide in posts, and niggas be burnt like toast. When I'm done with them, stung with them, niggas can't even get the skills. Niggas better play me for real. I am nice, I could kill on the stage for real. I am nice, I could take over the show for real. Ayo, you, attic officials upstairs, I don't know what they looking for, they got stairs. Keep on looking as I keep on slaying. Keep on booking as I keep on raping these cats, shanking these cats, leaving them black. Them niggas feel like Desert and Tank on back. Them niggas feel like Desert and Tank on that. Your niggas can't see me cause I take your cat. Blow. It sound like boom, boom. Niggas better than me, I satellite eating, my appetite eating. A niggas be thinking you're beefing, that's beef. Nah, that's me at a freestyle, which I know y'all niggas been jinx. Anytime you wanna test the ball, come through, better have you a repertoire. But you, y'all niggas is fruits for real. Y'all niggas can't get it, so get in the drill. Better give me that push up, you're talking to the sergeant. The general come through and I don't say pardon. I make the orders, you get off the block. You go over there and strip on the corner. Cause y'all some bitch niggas, y'all some yes men. Me, I'm a nice nigga, I never switch on them. And niggas understand, I don't know what they thinking, but it look like he's burning cause that bitch on them. Me, I just keep with my crew. AOU, Attica, Frisco, upstairs, real fish on them. Put it with the hooks, the niggas gotta look. And this is freestyle, no I don't got no book. The niggas know that I'm nice, if you don't just listen in your ears and you're gonna get a dose. I don't know if you think you ready packing that toast. Don't matter, I rap blocker, right in his boat, right in his dome. The niggas be acting like they Sherlock Holmes. Y'all trying to sniff shit nowadays, but really if I battle, I can beat you cause you in my face. I will not do no research and forget the battle. I'm nice when it come to tracks, I can do a relax. My name JC No Black and I represent the act. Official upstairs, y'all niggas see I'm off the top, it's upstairs. I don't know what they thinking, but they don't got gas. Niggas better stop it cause I drown them cats. Some niggas ain't swimming away, I pound them cats. Man, the niggas is clowns. I can't understand how you profound try to come with pronouns. Niggas think they got an action. Niggas better stop it. Stop with that whack ass rapping. I'm tired of the bubble gum. That's why I double gum when I cause it's like I got a double tongue. When it comes to syllables, I don't gotta do it fast. I'm a cool cat. Do it slow or the medium. Understand me, I'm freaking on them. Niggas can't get with me. He beefing on them. Beefing on who? Not me or my crew. You gonna get your body drowned in the zoo, in the concrete jungle. Niggas be acting so tough. Next thing they calling me uncle. Niggas better know I'm a fall from MC. Come through, have to alter your dreams. Come through, start burning. He come back like a fiend. He a fan now, he trying to cool down the chains. Won't happen, my DNA mixed with the fire, I mixed with the wind. Gemini right on your top. Niggas gotta see me. You will get side cops, you will get blocked, even trying to walk on my block. Niggas can't see me, I don't understand. Watch that them cats stop. But on the camera they say they go. I'm on the camera, cause the kid like the flow. I am nice with the cipher, I will hit you like snipers. Y'all niggas baby like diapers. Your ass nigga, come through, you won't last nigga. AOU keep spitting, I'ma brag nigga. Cause my team is nice, which I know about me. I will roll a nigga just like dice. Your niggas can't see me cause I'm up on flights. And I keep it so high and I do what I like. I'm on a video cam with a little bit of light in my blue ass shirt. And I'm looking sorta like I was work on these niggas. Put the holes on them like slaves back in the day. Now they feeling like a hoe. Getting on smack. Niggas better relax and stop with that rap black. I told y'all I don't really like the weak-ish. Me, I just come through and sound like a genius compared to y'all. But I do it basic. I do it cause I lace the tracks just like aces. Niggas can't can't see me, yo, I'm the aces, moving through the deck. Them niggas better stop it, I will take off your neck. Them niggas see the op that I will take off the chef if he thinking that he cooking. Niggas gotta see me represent that Brooklyn. Back to the door to the dirty south. Yeah, I might spit a little bit of dirt out my mouth. The niggas gotta see me raps never with a drought. That niggas is dope, y'all be gonna hide. Y'all niggas be coming through with some lies. That's why I have to get a kid. That nigga can't mess with the kid, and that cat is in the eye, cause I'm fucking that queen. So your little brothers gotta be part of me. I'm an MC, I move the crowd, I do it so loud, I do it with sound, I come through like for loud. Yo, the niggas better stop, that is foul. And I ain't talking about the joint with the rings, talking about you the ding. Anytime you wanna enter the MC ring, niggas better see what it be. Niggas get banged like I was part of Superman clique. Niggas can't see me, do my Superman dick up in your fucking bitch, nigga. Single, man. Freestyling, bugging, you heard? Hey, yo.